This used to be a gorgeous Echeveria mahogany rose, but I just noticed that it flopped over, and I think I overwatered this. I chopped off the heads of these 3 stems weeks ago, and one of them is producing a pup. Super cool. I got this on sale at Walmart, and it used to be $9.96. I used the other stems for a pot that I gave to my neighbor, and I saved one for myself. So it is time to get this into its own pot. I will plant this just to see if it will grow. It's very dry. Here's that little baby. So cute. There. I think that's it. I'm not sure if it's going to make it, but I will give it a try. See how it goes.